Python's return true if string contains regex pattern. I have a regular expression like this. Function must return true if word contains baz or bad. In short, I need regex analog for Pythons. How can I realize it? Thanks.
The best one by far is returns true.
Match objects are always true, and none is returned if there is no match. Just test for trueness. Code output equals bar. If you want search functionality. And if regex not found then. As at books are mentioned if sc equals foo bar, then match will not work. So, it's more appropriate to use re.search.
Here's a function that does what you want. The regular expression search method returns an object on success and none if the pattern is not found in the string. With that in mind, we return true as long as the search gives us something back. Examples: